Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In the realm of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands as a beacon of Italian engineering and design, offering a blend of exhilarating performance, stunning aesthetics, and sophisticated technology. The Giulia Quadrifoglio, the high-performance variant of the Giulia lineup, captures the essence of Alfa Romeo's racing heritage while providing a luxurious driving experience. At the heart of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio is a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, developed in collaboration with Ferrari. This powerplant produces a remarkable 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque, allowing the Giulia Quadrifoglio to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which delivers rapid and smooth gear changes. Rear-wheel drive is standard, enhancing the car's dynamic handling and providing an engaging driving experience. The Giulia Quadrifoglio's performance is complemented by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. The car features a lightweight carbon fiber hood and roof, which help to lower the center of gravity and improve handling. The adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Brembo high-performance brakes ensure exceptional stopping power, while the Alfa DNA Pro Drive Mode selector allows drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their preferences. Visually, the 2024 Giulia Quadrifoglio is a masterpiece of Italian design. Its aggressive stance is accentuated by a signature V-shaped grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic enhancements such as a carbon fiber front splitter and rear spoiler. The car's muscular lines and sculpted bodywork convey a sense of speed and agility, while the iconic Quadrifoglio, four-leaf clover, badges signify its racing pedigree. Inside, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. High-quality materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim create an upscale atmosphere. The sports seats provide excellent support and comfort, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and aluminum paddle shifters enhance the driving experience. The 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system, ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment. Safety and driver assistance features are abundant in the 2024 Giulia Quadrifoglio. The sedan comes equipped with advanced technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio sets a high standard in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious features, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Whether navigating city streets or enjoying spirited drives on winding roads, the Giulia Quadrifoglio promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.